SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change alarm sound on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. In this video, I'm using an iPhone 14 with the iOS 16.6 operating system. However, these same steps work for most other iOS versions, as well as most other iPhone models. If you would like to change the alarm sound on your iPhone, then you can do so by opening the Clock app. You can then select the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen, and then you can tap Edit at the top left of this screen. Now you're just going to need to select the alarm for which you would like to change the sound, and then you can tap the Sound button. You can then scroll through the list of different alarm sounds, and you can select the one that you would like to use. If you don't want to use an alarm sound at all, then you can scroll to the bottom of the list and tap the None option. Note that when you do tap a new alarm sound, it's going to play a brief sample of that alarm. So then you can just go back to the main alarm menu, and as long as all of the rest of the alarm settings look good, then you can tap the Save button, and your alarm will now be using the sound that you just chose. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.